gasoline station. We need the gasoline. And this one is a self-service. When you load the gasoline, this is a self-service, so you do it himself. It's no one is working here. In Sweden, actually, in Sweden, no one is working in a gasoline station. It's a self-service, so that's the best thing. You can do it yourself. So this is Ingo, the cheapest gasoline you can have per liter. Yeah, this is cheap, so I cannot see anything. So it's a self-service. So, huh?
10 kronor, 10 kronor.
And then, yeah, and then there you go. It's 157. That is also cheap. Single is a self-service gasoline station. Wala ito sa Pinas. Dito lang yan sa Sweden. Pag nagpagasolina ka dito sa Sweden, ikaw lang gagawa niyan. Walang iba kundi ikaw, sarili mo lang. Kaya dito natututo ka maggasolina sa sarili mong sasakyan, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangan umasa sa mga iba. Pero mas maganda rin sa Pinas para magkaroon naman yung mga taong ng trabaho, 'di ba? Kasi kung mag self-service ka pa sa Pilipinas, wala na. Kumusta naman yung mga tao na nangangailangan ng trabaho? Ang paggagasolin naman worth it naman, 'di ba? So ayan, gasoline, and then we'll plan to take a break, and then yeah, drive forward. Actually kailangan ko ng toilet. So maggasolina siya, magpo-full tank siya. Ayan, full tank. So how much is that? 801 kroner. It's 800, it's almost 5,000 peso. 5,000 peso gasoline. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, we're here in Grums. Matulog kami dito kasi 3 hours and 4 hours pa papuntang Oslo. So dito ko man kami mag-overnight, and then in the tomorrow then we go to Norway, Oslo. So we sleep over in a parking place inside the car. Natulog kami sa parking place dito sa loob ng sasakyan. Diyan, tulog kami diyan. Kasi malaki naman yung sasakyan namin. Natulog kami diyan. And now we eat glass. We eat ice cream. Yummy. Okay, we will update again when we are on the way to Oslo tomorrow. Yes, and after 1 hour we come here, arrive. So okay dokie, babush. See you again later, alligator. Ciao. So here we're gonna try to fix here inside the bed, in our back locan, in our back set. We make it as a bed. Meron kami upuan dito. Upuan yan, lang namin 3 seats. Lang namin, tapos bumili kami ng madras. Kaya dito kami matutulog. Overnight matutulog kami. Tapos bukas, biyahe na naman papang Oslo. Yan, ha? Hara, kola. Hey!
Aj.
Then, so, yeah. It's
It's
gonna be, ha?
150 kronor.
150!
Till klockan 9:30 imorgon.
10?
9:30.
Oh my god. We need to pay parking also. So, it's not free. So, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go to sleep now so we can travel tomorrow, and see you tomorrow. And good night, and see you again tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning. We just woke up. It's 7 now in the morning here. Back to Norway yan. Tulog kami dito sa car. Yeah. Ayan. Mahirap kasi maingay, pero kinaya naman. Yung asawa ko gising hanggang alas 12 ng mga gabi. Kasi, ewan ko sa kanya, naliwanagan. Ako, knockout kay pagod. Tapos ngayon, nilagyan ko siya ng tabing para makatulog siya. Ngayon, paglagay ko niya, natulog na siya. So, diba, gano'n lang. Problem solved. So, ngayon, papunta na kami, magpepe lang kami. Kain na kami ng breakfast, tapos papunta na kami ng Oslo, Norway. 3 hours papunta ron, more than 3 hours. So, pag mag-break time pa kami, so aabotin siya ng 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, aabotin kami ganun. So, okay lang kasi fun naman adventure nga di ba? Okay, kung saan kami abutin pag matulog kami, kung saan kami abutin, doon kami matutulog ulit tonight. So, ating maabutan na kami ito sa Oslo. Sa Oslo na kami ito maabutan. Kaya, yeah, ayun. Thankful ako na nakahanap ako ng asawa na hindi umiinom. Kasi wala akong worry pagdating sa driving. So, yan. Bonus. Kasi hindi mo, mabihira ka na lang makita na lalaki hindi umiinom, no? Kaya, yun, I'm thankful na yung asawa ko hindi umiinom. Kaya kayo guys, maghanap kayo ng hindi umiinom, pero hindi mo naman kasi maiwasan na umiinom diba? Ayan. Okay, see you again later, alligator. Kain na kami. Ayan, kain na kami. Hello. Let's eat. Okay, let's go. Kakain muna kami. Tapos alis na kami. Now we're on the way to Orlingstroll. Orlingstroll. Yeah. We're on the way now para makarating kami sa Norway, sa Oslo.
Orliengtrollet is a ugly monster out in the wood.
Yeah. And again. We're driving again on the way to Norway. There you go. Okay, again, see you later, alligator. Time check. We left from time check. We left from where we sleep over. We left from there around 8:10, and now it's 8:45 in the morning. So see that 8:45. We left from there 8:10, and then 1 hour to the place where we're about to pass by before Oslo. So it's gonna be more adventure, and it's the first time we travel a long time, like traveling to other country. It's the first time, because we usually travel from home to his parent in Småland, which is 3 to 4 hours. But this one, it takes 6 to 7 hours to travel to Norway. But of course, you need to count with your rest time, with your toilet, with your sleepover. So we sleep over all night in that place because we left yesterday after my work, so we couldn't be able to drive long time, so we slept over instead. And we are here. I don't know where we are. We are here in, what's the name of this? Llanas. You see, as I said, Sweden is very rich with trees because they're very good at taking care of the forest for humans and for animals. Sweden is the best. Yeah, okay, and I'm gonna update you later. Where are we now? I need you now. Kumanta. Okay, update later, guys. It's big house. If Philippines is rich with rice, Sweden is rich with trees. So most of the time they use it to build a home. Trees and of course stones, because it's winter. We have winter here, so yeah, very clean, nice and beautiful Sweden. Yeah, right. All right. Okay. Time check. It's 8:53. And then it's 18 degree. You see that?
Som bajsar på vinden.
It's 18 degree. There, 18 degree. You see that? 18 degree. Yeah. So that's our temperature. Here, where we are. That's the temperature. There is Oslo. We're going there in Oslo, in Norway. The hovedstaden, the capital of Norway is Oslo. We're going there. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Kung ikaw may gusto kang puntahan, huwag mo lang pangarapin, kundi gawin mo din. Diba? Ako nangarap ako matagal na pumunta ng Norway. Ngayon gagawin na namin pupunta doon kasama ang aking asawa. Nagdadrive lang kami, diba? Oh, a constant. Okay, update later. Update. Now we're in Årjängs. Where? Årjäng vadå?
Samhälle.
Årjäng samhälle. Oh,
City.
Årjäng city. That's the address. That's the name of the city.
Going to visit the monster.
Yeah, we're gonna visit the monster. I don't need to visit with the monster. I have monster with me.
Arr.
We're gonna go there. Smog. Yes, you might. That is Årjängs
Ser du
kommun.
trollet?
Där är den. Där. Juhu. There. It's so big. Yeah. Here is Årjäng is a monster. Årjängs trollet. There you go. That's the big monster shark. Ang ganda niya, oh. Ang grabing laki. Ano, ang laki. Tapos ang ganda pa ng bahay, oh. Tapos ito yung hotel yata ito, eh. Hotel, ayan, oh, nakalagay. Hotel and restaurant. Hotel and restaurant. It's a Sweden flag. We're still in Sweden. Inside Sweden country. We're almost close to the borders. And that's the parking place. And that's Årjängs kommun. Årjäng city. It's like Årjäng barangay. Kung tawagin sa Pilipinas, Årjäng barangay. Barangay Årjäng. Our Bill's car. That's the car. There you go. Ang ganda. Ang laki pa. Lapit tayo konti. Tingnan natin kung ano nakalagay. Ang ganda pa ng mga flowers. Tingnan natin ano nakalagay. Meron yatang meron yatang nag-play dyan. Nagdi-disco. Ayan o, dyan sila. Ayan o, parang may may nagpa-party ba dito? Someone dance or play? Only play? There, is it like the dance floor there? some show. I mean, they do show here because there's a stool here. Makasitahan. And then look, yeah, it's so big. Oh my God,
Taxera inte under tårna bara.
Så- så kä- that's a giant. The giant. Lucky. You see, there is a film in this one. There is a film. What is the name of the film? There is a film on this one. Look natin inside. Walang tao. Walang tao. Nanilip, you know. Clea. We itching. Kamutin natin yung paa. Ang laki ng paa, oh. Grabe. Ang laki ng paa. Ang laki ng paa.
Sätt där hjärtat.
Ha?
Sätt på.
Okay, we'll update it.